Introducing the Shenlan-DTG X2 Intelligent Garment Solution, which enables high-quality, mass production, and its top technology to enhance the production of batch quick print order business. The Shenlan-DTG X2 is capable of producing 75 to 120 pegs per hour in a single-person operation. It is the most attractive direct print machine product on the market. The Shenlan-DTG X2 can printing t-shirts, sweatshirts, jackets, jeans, sweaters, and many other garment types, providing you with great flexibility to handle a wide range of production needs. It allows instant switching between garment sizes and applications, streamlining the production process with the most energy-efficient process available. Make your apparel production more sustainable and profitable with Shenlan.